said the times, they are a-changing, but not as much as now, and I'm finding it a strange thing. Machetes on the high street, dinghies in the sea, imams preaching Christian hate is not my idea of diversity. You see, it's the nature of the beast, nothing personal, so hard to contemplate. No one has all control, bigger than baddies controlling the world, or government snitches distilling the world. Is the nature of the beast, and it's manifold. Archbishop Welby's God's best friend, as sure as eggs and bacon. Why would I go to a church that preaches God's mistaken? Or take just stop oil? Maybe, shall we? Maybe we should listen. Let's try it for a week, then put a stop to all this virtue signaling. No paparazzi telling me what I see, telling me how I have to be. You see, it's the nature of the beast, nothing personal, so hard to contemplate. AI has no control, bigger than double plus on big trouble, committees and quangos, all in a muddle's the nature of the beast, and it's manifold. A girl is a boy, it's all the same thing, so I hear. The emperor has no clothes, and I'm finding it a shame thing. Quango fever, there's no vaccination, it will make your blood run pale. Stick your head above the parapet and you'll find yourself in jail. But demons is as demons was, demons is because this just ain't inclusivity.